When Pakistan became a new country, many people migrated from the India. My grandmother, she migrated from India. Pakistan was the developing country. At that time, only one family in whole street have a landline. One day my neighbor, who had the only landline, came to our house and said there was a call for us, for our family. I went to take a call. My grandmother brother called. My grandmother brother told me my grandmother's sister's husband died, but that time the voice quality is very poor. I thought he said my grandmother's sister had died. I went back to my house and told my grandmother that her sister died. She was very sad because she was close to her younger sister. 5 years passed and her younger sister came to Pakistan to give her sisters a surprise visit. When she knocked at the door, my grandmother opened the door. She saw her sister. She thought she was looking at her ghost. She scared and she closed the door at her face. When her sister knocked again and again, finally my grandmother realized her sister is alive. She began to cry with happiness. She hugged her and she was very mad at me because I told her about 5 years before that her sister had died, even though it was a mistake.